Okay, one important update regarding a drone company, okay? And that is Idea Forge. If you can see, yeah, Idea Forge has staged a massive turnaround with a massive profitable quarter, which I can see like this: 141 crores in a single quarter. If you add up everything in the prior quarter, it would equal to that. Losses were substantial in many quarters. Right now, it is into massive profits. Whether it is sustainable or not, we'll have to see. But another indication is the company is now venturing into combat drones, which would include the kamikaze drones and loitering munitions, right? They were not focused in this segment, and they are developing their products, and this is where their focus would be. Also, they have, say, 350 crores kind of order book in hand that they might be executing. And again, if they execute everything, then obviously top line would be higher. And if margin is maintained, right, then we can see profitability again coming back. So it has been an erratic company for all the time, and it has destroyed the wealth of the company for quite a long time. If you can see, it has been a wealth destroyer for quite a long time, right? So right now, this is the first quarter. I think the market would wait for the second quarter and likewise and see the turnaround happening and the story to play out. If it plays out, then it would be a very great one. So we'll see a reaction tomorrow in this one, and then we'll evaluate further. Okay. So this was everything from my side, and we'll connect again next week, and we'll see what all things have featured in stage two, and likewise. Till then, have a great time, and then we'll connect again, and then we'll speak on everything related to market and names. Okay. Thank you everyone for your time, and we'll see.